3 Financial Knowledge to Achieve Financial Freedom. Hi everyone, I'm Financial Success. I'll be sharing life tips and money management notes and a little bit of investment knowledge on this channel. Make your life better. Today I'm going to share a book by Tony Robbins, Master the Game, a world-renowned potential development guru. This book is about money management. He interviewed nearly 60 investment gurus such as Warren Buffett, John Bogle, Ray Dalio, and David Swensen. Tony wrote this book in order to let you learn the simple knowledge of investment and money management. At the same time, I have compiled 3 key points and steps from the book in this video. I hope it can help you improve the knowledge of investing money. Step 1. First, why should I invest? In the beginning of the book, Tony asked the reader the question: is you can guarantee that you have enough money to live after retirement? Because there is still a long way to go before the age of retirement, you will ignore the existence of this problem. We can assume that a person retires at the age of 65, and the estimated monthly cost is $700, and the yearly cost is $8,400. Will we be able to save $210,000 before we turn 65? Tony tells readers that most of us have a good chance of reaching financial freedom by investing for the long term. Of course, the purpose of investing is not only to make retirement comfortable, but also to give you choices in the future. Step 2. Understand the compounding effect. Before you start investing money, you must understand the effect of compound interest. Compound interest is an important concept in modern finance. In the book, Tony Robbins shares an example of a brother William and a brother James who reached the traditional retirement age for men at the age of 65. The brother William started investing earlier than the brother and started investing at the age of 20 and invested $4,000 per year until the age of 40 when he stopped investing. The investment earns a 10% return each year. In contrast, the younger brother began investing at age 40 and invested $4,000 per year, also earning 10% per year until age 65. Here we can see that the brother William invested a total of $80,000 between the ages of 20 and 40, while the brother started late and invested a total of $100,000 from the age of 40 until the age of 65, and after the compounding effect and growth, the brother earned nearly $2.5 million. This is a very big difference between the two brothers who invested only $20,000, but with the compounding effect of time running, the difference between the two brothers' wealth is more than $2 million. This is the result of the compound interest effect. Remember, if you want to win in the road of investment, the key is to start earlier the better. Final step: start saving. Tony Robbins emphasizes that financial freedom is impossible to achieve by working alone, and that no matter how much money you earn from your job, you always have a way to spend it all. The experience of former world boxer Mike Tyson, from rich to poor to broke, earning nearly $500 million, but because of his wild spending, he went bankrupt. The source of most people's money is to work, earn, spend, and then continue to work, but the most important thing is not how much money you earn, but how much money you keep, and then put the money into the investment projects that can make money for you. Tony Robbins said in his book that if you work just to live and eat, then you are using your time for money, which is actually a very bad deal. This is a very bad trade. In order to make money, a long time to do a job that does not mean much to yourself, miss the important moments of life, you will begin to wonder, what is the purpose of such work? Is it really worth it? Tony Robbins recommends that readers save a fixed percentage of their monthly income and then use it to invest it wisely. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe, to press the like and press the little bell. Let us see the next video.